Hi,
Hi,
we are Team Cardiocrafter and I am Gundan Singh Wadhwa.
and I am Abhinay Prajapati.
So, we are here with the motive of bringing revolution to the world. Today, many people die because of heart attack. So, to get rid of this problem, we have devised a groundbreaking solution, our hardware device, our stethoscope, which just take 50 seconds to give analysis of heart rate. So what happens is many people don't know about their heart rate and feel discomfort during night. So they get lazy for going to hospitals. Our device give correct situation of their heart health at home. It gives the chance of 4 diseases instantly.
So here we have our device. It contains a stethoscope transducer which is transferring the heartbeat from our heart to the device. And in this component we have our piezoelectric sensor which is measuring the heart rate and converting them into analog digital signals. And along with that we have our ADC component that is converting the analog signals to the digital ones. And those data signals are transferred to the software application using this Bluetooth module, as you can see here. So we can connect this device with our software applications, and in that software application we have our machine learning model that is working on various time series models, and for that and using that it is measuring, predicting that which type of pattern our heart is generating and what are the chances of disease that we can have.
So now I will show you the demo of our device. So this is our stethoscope. I will place it on my heart for 50 seconds.
There's that here, at here, that you can see on the side of window also. And along with that it has one more functionality, that is we can access the nearby hospitals.
Apart from nearby hospitals, we also have customized heart health tips for the patient or for the person who have used our stethoscope according to his or her heart health. Coming to business point of view, it is very cheap product. We have used most of the cheap parts for that, and it will cost you around $80, or if we are targeting Indian market, it will cost around rupees 700 for the product. So it will be very cheap and cover most of the market and will provide them concise heart health at home. So thank you. This was the demo of Team Cardiocrafter and Cardiocrafter device.